In this video, I'm going to show you how we can configure Syslog on Cisco router. So here is my topology, and I have configured the OSPF on these devices. And let's discuss about Syslog first. Then I will show you how we can configure the Syslog. So Syslog is used to monitor all the messages that the router generates, and messages can be of several types like information, critical, verbose, debugging. Uh, you can also see these messages in your event viewer also. And if suppose everyone is using the debugging feature of the device, like I can show you the OS debug IP OSPF events. So you will see that all the messages of OSPF is appearing on your screen, and if every engineer start to use the debug feature, it will create a lot of load on the CPU, and it can disrupt your network or slow down your network. So for this feature, for these messages, we can configure the syslog on our Cisco router, and all the messages will be stored on that syslog server. And after all of the logs are generated, you can filter it or analyze it separately from the syslog server. So let's turn off this debugging. No debug IP OSPF ends, and I will add here one machine server on this subnet. Attach it to this machine, and IP address we have to give 192.168.1.30. Let me replace this machine and assign this the IP address. .29 is given 30. I need to give it to this 192.168.1.30. Subnet mask will be this. Let's ping local gateway first. It can ping the gateway, and one host I will ping 1.2. So this is reaching my this network. It means the routing is on. And here you can see on the services tab there is a syslog server. Let me toggle it once so it can be operational. So now we will configure the syslog on this device. First of all, we need to update the clock manually. So use this clock set command and then type the time and date. Today is 18 and month is March and year is 2024. So date and time is updated. Configure this is log. So logging is the command. You can use the various parameter also. So we need to specify here the logging host 168.1.30 was the IP of the Syslog server we have added on in our network. Here logging trap mean which kind of messages we want to log. So here only one severity is mentioned, that is debugging. So if you configure the 7 severity, the severity ranges from 0 to 7, logging trap debugging. So all the other messages will also be displayed like information, warning, critical. All of the messages will be recorded by our syslog server. So here you can see the message logging host start stop logging to host is enabled, CLA is initiated. Let's see if the server has logged any message. So it has logged the 2 messages, but it is not showing the time. For this, you need to copy these commands. These two commands you need to copy. I have already copied in my notepad. So you need to paste it by removing the no. So now see if the message is logged with the timestamp. Yes, the message is logged with the timestamp of your device. So in this way, you can configure the syslog on Cisco router. Thanks for watching.